Hey everybody, this is a pepper plant that I have made on around July 11. This is a self-made hydroponic pepper plant system. I have shown you in around July 11th, and I've told that I'm going to show you the update about the pepper plant. I have this plant is fruiting already. I have 3 peppers on there on that plant. Is this is going to be bigger anyway, but the plant this reservoir is little smaller for this plant. That's why the leaves are getting yellow due to the nutrition deficiency. So I'm gonna have to transfer this plant to a bigger reservoir that I have made. This one with the biscuit pot. Now I'm going to transfer this one from here to this one, the little bigger version here. You can see this all homemade, and this is the first pepper plant and hydroponic plant that I have tried earlier. This plant was started in around July 11th, and it's a couple of months and it started fruiting. And whether if the plant this bottle was bigger, then I didn't need to transfer this plant, and I should have got more fruits from this one. Hopefully I'll get more plant for the more fruit from this plant, and I'm gonna update you guys later on. Thanks. Alright guys, this is the update of my pepper plant that I've showed you earlier. Today is November 25th, and you can see the pepper plant has flowered a lot, and it has a couple of fruits already. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fruits, 7 peppers already. One more here, 8, 9, maybe 10, and plenty of flowers. Hopefully it's gonna give me plenty of peppers in this winter already. And what I've done is just transplant the plant from the tiny bottle to a bigger size orange juice container here. And what I have done is just wrapped around with the aluminum foil. You can see, let me remove, you can see the roots and the nutrition. It's already it's been almost 2 months, and you can see it still has the half of the nutrients available, and it will, I think it will last around another couple of months, maybe end of the season. You can see another tiny fruit here. This is the update, I think, for this plant. I have to end this video for this season, and I will come up with another video for another plant very soon. If you have any comments, have anything to know about this one, please comment below this video. I will update. This one problem with this fruit's supposed to be this long, but because of the container or for any reason, the fruit's getting smaller size. I don't know why. if any expert knows about the hydroponics thing, fruits not getting bigger as usual, please let me know, because I'm also starter. This is the very first hydroponic plants of my garden, home garden. Hopefully I'll learn over the time, and I'll let people know, whoever wanted to start hydroponic gardening. I will teach people by learning. Alright, if you enjoy my video, please subscribe and like, share and comment. Thank you very much, and enjoy my video.